Hello all, I'm Ganesh Gatikar taking your course Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. Today we are going to talk about taboo search. Taboo means the thing which is not allowed or not, we can say it is prohibited or forbidden. So in the taboo search, we are going to prevent returning quickly to the same state. So many of the time in searching, we are returning to the same state which is not leading us or it is not going to be helpful. So we want to avoid this. For that, we are going to maintain a taboo list. So that will be fixed length queue, or even sometimes it is dynamically the length will be increased or decreased. That is what is the taboo list. So we are maintaining a queue over here. The most recent state will be added to the queue, and if the queue is full, then the oldest one will be deleted. So never make the step that is currently tabooed. So if you got a state which is already in the queue, already in the taboo list, then you will not make that step. So that is what is the advantage of taboo search. Now you will understand it very easily through the example. So this is the algorithm. Start, initialize your current state as S, create the candidate list of neighbors to the current solution. So find out the neighbors of S. So that is what is this step. Then from all those neighbors, select the best neighbor or best solution, that is S dash, and check, is this S dash in the taboo list? If yes, then no need to consider that S dash because it is already in the taboo list. So delete S dash from the candidate list and select the best from the remaining one. And if this S dash is not in the candidate list, then your current solution will be S dash and update the taboo list. So S dash will be added in the taboo list. Go ahead. Is this stopping criteria satisfied? Means if that S dash your goal state, if yes, then stop. If no, then go back and create the candidate list of neighbors of the current state. So S dash is your now new state. Find out the neighbors of S dash, then choose the best neighbor. Check the best neighbor is in taboo list. If it is yes, then delete that. If it is not, then your new state will be the neighbors of them, and likewise the search will go on. Now let us understand this with the example. So this taboo list is nothing but the short-term memory. It contains your previous moves and it will used to avoid the cycling. Cyclic means same state is getting visited again and again. So that is what is cycling. So this taboo list can be static or it can be dynamic. Static means length will be fixed, like only these many states you can store in the queue or that taboo list. And dynamic means you can choose at the runtime. Now let us consider this example. This is the example of traveling salesman problem, TSP. So A, B, C, D, E, these are the cities or these are the nodes, and salesman is supposed to visit each city without visiting same city twice. Now first solution is A, D, E, B, C, means A to D, D to E, E to B, and B to C. This is the path of the salesman. Now this is first solution, and let us assume for this traveling by this way total 150 units are required. So I am storing this solution. This is my taboo list. I am storing it in the taboo list A, D, E, B, C. The corresponding value is 150. Now I am having second solution A, D, B, E, C. So here the swapping of B and E is done. So A, D, B, E, and C. So for this fitness value is or evaluation is 175. Then third solution can be DABEC. D, so instead of starting from A, now we are starting from D. DABEC, and for this the value is 140. Now my taboo list, if the length of it is static, let us say it is length is 3, means I can only store 3 states in this. Now next time if I am having some another move number 4, then I need to delete the oldest one. Oldest one means the first one which we have selected. Now this will be deleted and the remaining will be pushed down so that there will be vacancy for the new move. So remaining will be pushed down and new move number 4 will come over here and the corresponding fitness value. So this is what is the taboo search. These are the references. Thank you.